Custom units are very interesting thing in Excel. For example, if I type 1 piece, 2 pieces and try to sum up these two cells, sum will give 0 because Excel is treating these cells as text or string data type, but same text is written here. If sum function is applied, it is displaying the sum. This is because I have customized these cells to display units, keeping the actual number. Format in Excel, let's do it. Select a cell, go to Format, Ctrl on to bring up the custom formatting options. Jump all the way to custom, delete whatever you see here, put in square bracket, then equal 1, then close the square bracket, type hash, start double quote, single space, type units. I will close piece for one which is singular and close the double quote, put a semicolon, again hash, double quote, space, and I will type pieces, close the double quote, click OK. Type any number in this cell range and you can apply any mathematical formula. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys next time.